So this is just a fight mess I've gotten myself into today. I was riding this Cannondale right here. It is not actually mine. It belongs to my dad. I was riding it yesterday. I was trying to go to a shop near my house here. And as I was riding, you know, the street that I was riding on, it was only 2 lanes, and this sidewalk, and on the side of the road, there's like it's just like dirt and stuff like that. So I was riding, and apparently I got one thorn in my bike, in my tire right here, right where my finger is, right there, and I got another one stuck in here. Yeah. And damn. Hang on. And then this one right here, that one's stuck in there as well. I could just pull it out, but I'm not going to. And there's another one stuck in here, but I think I just threw that onto the ground somewhere, and it's no longer with us. And then, like, that's nice. This is my actual bike. It's a GT. Yes, I do like the Beatles. It's my favorite song, actually. This is my GT. It's, I don't know how old it is. Pretty old. But basically, I was riding it into my garage here. And I always put my bikes into the lowest gear possible when I ride them, when I put them away, before I put them away, because it's supposed to relieve tension on the chain and all those types of things. And somehow, the front chain was fine. I took out the chain off the gear. That's totally what I did. But you see here, the chain is stuck behind the lowest gear. I mean, it's literally stuck behind here. I tried taking it out a while ago. I couldn't do that, so today I decided I'd just try to take apart the wheel assembly, which I have done here. There's all the pieces right there. All the pieces right there. Should still have them. Oh god. I should still have them, except now I'm missing. Sorry, just playing with this focus. I'm missing these balls that should be in here. There should be one more. I had it just a few minutes ago, and then I, like an idiot, dropped it. I had it, that's actually the second time I refound it, so hopefully the third time's the charm. If not, I'm going to just try and ride it without it. It's probably very unsafe, but it'll do. And besides, since I can't fix this, I doubt my dad can. And it's been like this for a month. This is the first time I tried to work on it. So I'm hoping that that we can take it into a bike shop, and I'll just tell them that what's wrong with it now. You know what's wrong with it now, and that I tried taking apart this assembly, and like an idiot I dropped one of the balls in here. I have no idea what these balls are called. I don't know, but my guess is if I can get this off without taking it to a bike shop, it shouldn't really be that much of a problem to ride it, because, well, I put so many in there if you don't need them all. I mean, like, I know they're concerned with safety, so I think they do that for redundancy or something. So I think it should be alright. Leave me in the comment section, tell me if I'm an idiot or if I'm actually right. I'll probably just take this into the bike shop and have them insert another ball in there. So thanks for watching this vlog. Ciao. Okay, just a quick little update. I did not find that little ball thing that I was looking for earlier. So I'm just going to have to leave it alone and hope that whatever bike shop I take it to will be able to replace that, which I'm sure they will, as it is a bike part. So, I mean, you'd be surprised at what couldn't what some bike shops don't have, or do have, but it should be alright. So that's about it. Besides, even if I did have the ball, it's not like I could ride it. Still couldn't unstick this chain. I did put the chain back on the ring. So, oh well. At least I tried. Ciao.